Today we're going to look at the oxygen sensor on the 2011 Chevy Cruze. It's pretty typical for this year of oxygen sensor. It's a 4-wire, so that means it's got a heater, and right away you should be able to identify what the heater is. And if you can do that, you can rule out these 2 wires. We are not going to be measuring these wires today. So then we're left with light green, yellow, and brown. And if you follow it back to the PCM, one's low signal, one's high signal. And what you can do if you don't know which one to plug it into is try each one. You should know what you're going to get for a reading. That way, if you plug it into the wrong one, you should go, maybe it's the other one I should be looking at. So basically what I did is I back probed the green wire going to the O2 sensor. I've got the other lead on ground. In this case, I can go right into the scope because we know this is going to be about a 1-volt signal. So I've already set it up, I've got a reading, and this vintage O2 sensor basically produces a voltage between about 0.1 and 0.9, and you can see it going, as it goes down it's rich, it's lean, if it goes up it's rich. So to set up the channel, I went to probes, standard probes, no attenuator, so we're ×1. And sometimes you can get away with putting it on 1 volt because it doesn't go above it, but this has some spikes and I was getting overage, so I popped it up. And you can see that this is working pretty decent because it's changing on a regular basis. If it was stuck high or stuck low, then we might want to think about replacing the O2 sensor or figuring out what's causing it to run rich or lean.